The purpose of these video clips is to clarify the simplicity of FreeCAD. Today's video clip is to convert an STL file into a solid model. To start this project, import the STL file. File, Open, STL Mesh, ContainerCap.stl, Open. File, Save As, ContainerCap Solid. Rotate. Isometric, Control- to shrink. Change part design to part. Select container cap. Select part. Create shape from mesh. Check sole shape. OK. Container cap 001 is created. Select container cap. Hide container cap with spacebar. Select container cap 001. Select part. Convert to solid. Container cap 001 solid is created. Select Container Cap 001. Hide Container Cap 001 with spacebar. Select Container Cap 001 Solid. Select Part. Create a copy. Refine shape. Container Cap 001 Solid 001 is created. Change part to part design. Select Container Cap 001 Solid 001. Create body. Select base feature. Change part design to draft. Displays XY grid. Select grid. XY grid disappears. Change draft to part design. Isometric. Fit all. Container cap STL file is a solid model. This concludes converting an STL file into a solid model.